Hi guys, let's open this Adobe cow. I got a cow. This is 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And the photo card. Let's take a look at the toy figurines. Woo! He's so cute. Okay. There's no Dizzy. I think let's change this to be Mad. Okay? I think she looks like Mad. If someone's to charge other farm animals. Okay. This one. Okay. Now we're gonna put this. Okay. 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 He's so cute. Now we're gonna put this here. So we're not gonna put a bell at the middle. Okay. Remove this. Okay. 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 We will just put this here. We're not gonna put this in the middle. Okay, right there. So finished. Okay. Bye bye guys. See you next time.